Hello and welcome back to Vintage Nook. If you love blending timeless charm with a touch of modern elegance, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're diving into 10 inspiring ways to style your home like a pro by mixing the old and the new in a beautiful modern country cottage aesthetic. From reclaimed materials to vintage accents that never go out of style, these ideas will help you create a cozy, curated space that feels both fresh and nostalgic. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's get inspired together. Pairing antique wooden furniture with sleek, modern upholstery is a perfect way to blend eras. A vintage armchair reimagined with clean-lined, neutral-toned fabric brings comfort and character into your home. This contrast creates a space that's warm, welcoming, and effortlessly stylish without losing its timeless charm. The juxtaposition allows the craftsmanship of the past to shine while keeping the room feeling fresh. Choose soft, muted fabrics like linen or velvet in earthy tones to keep the balance. It's all about respecting the history of the piece while adapting it to today's lifestyle and comfort expectations. Original exposed wooden beams bring in that unmistakable country cottage soul. When paired with minimalist pendant or track lighting, the result is a visually striking yet harmonious mix. The clean geometry of modern lighting allows the rustic texture of the beams to remain the focal point. This contrast creates a ceiling full of visual storytelling. It draws the eye upward and emphasizes the architecture while keeping the ambience contemporary. Combining these two styles brings an authentic lived-in feel without the space feeling dated or too traditional. Using reclaimed wood or vintage bricks alongside sleek countertops or polished hardware adds layers of interest. A reclaimed wood island with a quartz top, for example, perfectly captures the mix of rustic charm and modern luxury. Each imperfection in the wood tells a story. This marriage of materials adds depth and narrative to your home. It ensures your cottage style feels both cozy and refined. Combining aged and new textures invites touch and curiosity, encouraging visitors to linger, admire, and ask questions about your beautiful space. A modern gallery wall can become the centerpiece of a room when vintage artwork is included. Try mixing black and white photographs, old oil paintings, or botanical prints with modern frames and layouts. This method preserves the past while giving it a new platform to shine. By organizing them in a clean, contemporary arrangement, you give structure to nostalgia. It makes the old feel intentional, not outdated. Plus, gallery walls are easily customizable, so you can keep adding to your collection as you find more charming pieces that speak to your home's story. Your grandmother's china cabinet or a vintage dresser doesn't need to be hidden. Instead, celebrate it by placing it alongside modern vases, abstract artwork, or sculptural lighting. This contrast makes the heirloom feel relevant and central to your modern cottage style. It's about honoring the emotional history in these pieces. Even a single antique item in a room full of modern furnishings can create a powerful aesthetic moment. By mixing them, you're not just decorating, you're curating a personal and historical narrative in your space. Start with a soft, neutral base, whites, beiges, and grays, and layer in vintage accents with a well-loved patina. Think old copper pots, brass candle holders, or aged leather accessories. These small touches add warmth and authenticity without overpowering the serene color palette. A neutral foundation allows your vintage finds to shine without making the room feel cluttered or chaotic. This is key in modern country cottage design. Every piece should feel both intentional and timeless. The aged textures serve as visual anchors, grounding the modern lightness with rustic weight. A striking vintage chandelier or pendant light can completely transform a modern space. Whether it's wrought iron, crystal, or milk glass, these pieces bring grandeur and a touch of romantic nostalgia to your cottage-inspired home. Keep the rest of the decor simple to let the light fixture be the star. Combining ornate lighting with modern furniture creates a focal point that elevates the entire room. It's an easy yet impactful way to blend old-world charm with modern-day sophistication. Integrate traditional fabrics like gingham, ticking stripes, or floral chintz into modern furniture forms. A sleek bench upholstered in a faded floral fabric or throw pillows made from vintage linens can make a huge impact without overwhelming the room. These textiles evoke memories and a sense of comfort. When used sparingly and thoughtfully, they create a warm and cozy atmosphere that feels timeless. It's not about going full retro, it's about borrowing softness and sentiment from the past and placing it into a fresh, clean frame. Wooden plank floors or stone tiles exude rustic elegance. Pair them with contemporary rugs, geometric patterns, muted colors, or abstract designs to modernize the foundation of your home. The layering adds texture, color, and comfort while remaining true to your country cottage spirit. This combo not only grounds the space but also helps define areas in open-concept rooms. The clean lines of the rugs contrast beautifully with the organic, imperfect quality of old floors. It's a blend that feels current while paying homage to the original bones of your home. Open shelving offers the perfect canvas to mix eras. Combine antique crockery, hand-thrown pottery, and vintage cookbooks with modern ceramics or minimalist kitchenware. This styling method keeps everything accessible while also letting your personality shine through your collections. The key is balance. Group items by color or shape to maintain a cohesive look. Vintage pieces add soul, while modern ones keep it fresh and uncluttered. Open shelving becomes more than just storage. It becomes a story told through everyday objects and timeless treasures. Thanks so much for spending time with me here at Vintage Nook. I hope you found some beautiful ideas to bring that timeless, cozy feeling into your home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'd love to hear which idea was your favorite or how you've styled your own space. See you in the next one, and until then, stay cozy and creative.